The James Webb Space Telescope has revealed discoveries that are completely transforming our understanding of the cosmos. From ancient galaxies that break the limits of our cosmic timeline to the possibility of oceans hiding on far-off worlds, every new revelation has been more astonishing than the last. Yet, its most recent confirmation has gone beyond surprise, shaking the very foundations of modern science. For the first time, a joint analysis of data from both James Webb and the Hubble Space Telescope has thrown the entire field of cosmology into turmoil. Something in the universe simply doesn't add up. The rate of cosmic expansion, once thought to be smooth, uniform, and predictable, now refuses to match our trusted models. Astronomers are starting to believe that we may have misunderstood the cosmos all along. If this is true, then the universe is not behaving in the way we assumed, and some unknown factor is influencing its growth. Stay with us, because what you are about to learn could forever change how humanity views the universe. For decades, scientists have relied on two key tools to measure cosmic expansion: the light from Cepheid variable stars and the faint glow of the cosmic microwave background radiation. From this research emerged the famous Hubble constant, the number that supposedly defined the rate at which the universe expands. But now, James Webb's extraordinary precision, when compared directly with Hubble's observations, has revealed a startling truth: the expansion rate is not the same everywhere. The so-called constant is not constant at all, it shifts depending on the region observed. What once looked like a minor inconsistency has now exploded into a full-blown crisis for cosmology. And this is only the beginning of the mystery. Among Webb's most baffling findings is the detection of a massive galaxy known as ZFGS 7329, a celestial giant that by all rights should not exist. Astonishingly, this galaxy is larger than our own Milky Way, and yet it formed just 700 million years after the Big Bang. According to every current model of galaxy formation, this should have been impossible. There should not have been enough time, enough matter, or enough dark matter for such a colossal structure to emerge so quickly. And ZFGS 7329 is not the only anomaly. Webb has also uncovered supermassive black holes in the infant universe, objects that our existing laws of physics say could not have formed so early. Taken together, these strange discoveries hint at a far deeper mystery: the universe may be much older than we once believed. One bold explanation has been proposed by researcher Rajendra Gupta. He argues that the universe is not 13.7 billion years old, as science has long taught, but rather more than 26 billion years old. According to his hypothesis, the light we receive from distant galaxies disguises their true age, leading us to underestimate the passage of cosmic time. Even more radically, Gupta suggests that neither dark matter nor dark energy are required to explain cosmic expansion. Instead, he proposes that matter and energy behave in ways that challenge our current models of physics. While controversial, his theory has shaken the scientific community, but Webb's surprises did not end there. In the deepest and darkest reaches of space, astronomers detected something extraordinary: an enormous and mysterious formation now nicknamed the phantom structure. This strange region appears to bend light, distort space, and even warp time in ways no known law of physics can explain. It behaves as though it is under the influence of an invisible and powerful force, one that should not exist according to our current understanding of the cosmos. Could this be evidence of a brand new form of energy, unlike anything we have ever encountered? Or might it be the scar of an ancient event, perhaps even a collision between universes billions of years ago? If so, this could represent the first physical clue that other realities exist beyond our own. And the mysteries only deepen. James Webb has detected strange and unexplained light emissions that do not correspond to any known stars, galaxies, or black holes. These signals, traveling across unfathomable distances, display patterns that refuse to match any known natural process. They do not behave like the light of stars, the bursts of supernovae, or the radiation from quasars. Instead, they appear to follow an unknown logic, one that has sparked both fascination and unease among astronomers. Some scientists argue that these signals may be the result of exotic cosmic objects still waiting to be discovered, such as hypothetical, boson stars, or vast structures made of matter that we cannot yet identify. Others believe we could be witnessing energy leaking from dimensions that lie outside of our observable universe. And then there is the boldest possibility of all. Could these emissions be artificial? Could they be the fingerprints of intelligence far older and more advanced than anything humanity has ever conceived? Though speculation about alien communication remains cautious, the very fact that natural explanations have failed makes the question impossible to ignore. Taken together, Webb's findings challenge the very foundations of modern cosmology. We see galaxies forming much too quickly for our models to explain. We encounter evidence suggesting that dark matter, long considered essential for galaxy formation, may not exist in the way we thought, or perhaps not at all. We observe phantom structures that twist the very fabric of spacetime, as if mocking the limits of our physics. And we detect signals from deep space that refuse to fit within the boundaries of known science. All of this points toward a single, unsettling conclusion. Our understanding of the universe is incomplete, and perhaps deeply flawed. So, what does this mean for humanity's future? Some scientists are beginning to suggest that we may not live in a self-contained universe at all. Instead, our cosmos could be part of a much larger system, one that is shaped by forces from other universes, or by entirely new forms of energy we cannot yet comprehend. This would mean that our reality is not an isolated bubble drifting alone in the void, but one thread in a vast, interconnected tapestry of existence. If this is true, then the cosmic history humanity has pieced together over the last century is only a fragment of a much grander story. A story in which the laws of physics are not final, but temporary. A story where dark matter and dark energy may turn out to be illusions, replaced by concepts we cannot yet imagine. A story in which the birth, growth, and even the fate of our universe are guided by forces far beyond our perception. As the James Webb Space Telescope continues its mission, one truth becomes more and more clear. The universe is far stranger, far older, and far more complex than humanity has ever dared to imagine. Are we on the edge of a new scientific revolution, one that will force us to rewrite the very foundations of physics and cosmology? Or could these revelations point toward something even more profound, that reality itself is not what it appears to be? And as we push deeper into the cosmos, another haunting question lingers. If the strange signals detected by Webb are not natural, then who, or what, is out there? Could we be standing at the threshold of the greatest discovery in human history, the proof that we are not alone? Or are these signals reminders of forces so immense, so alien, that they lie forever beyond our comprehension? One thing, however, is certain. The James Webb Space Telescope has only just begun its work. With each new observation, it will peel back another layer of mystery. And in doing so, it may bring us closer to answers that will forever reshape not only science, but our very understanding